Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create your own stickers for Instagram stories. So the things that you have to do now is open your Instagram application, and in Instagram there will be like several sections you can see down here. But then if you are in a search or in other sections, now you just need to go click this plus button right here to access or to create your own content. And now go click the story one and you will have an access into the story sections for your Instagram. And after that you can either choose the media that you have, or you can also capture the picture in a real time. Okay, let's try first. Okay, now I already captured some, and to create a stickers, go into this sections and go click this cutouts. But before that, you need to make sure that you already update your Instagram into the newest version, because it's only available in the newest versions. And now you just need to choose the picture that you want to use for the stickers and wait until the Instagrams generate the best recommendations cut out for you. And after that, go click this use sticker, and now you already got the stickers. So that's the way, guys, how to create a stickers for your Instagram story. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.